Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to do Bitcoin mining on PC. This is a simple and easy guide on how to do Bitcoin mining on PC. Okay, so mining cryptocurrency using your PC with NiceHash is a popular and relatively straightforward way to earn crypto by lending your computer's processing power. Step 1. Create a NiceHash account. Go to the NiceHash website, click on Get Started or Register. Create an account by providing your email address and setting a password. Verify your email address if required. Number 2. Download and install NiceHash Miner. Once you're logged into your NiceHash account, go to the Mining tab on the NiceHash website. Click Download Miner. Number 3, select NiceHash Miner based on your operating system or Windows is the most common. Number 4, follow the installation instructions. On Windows, you may get a warning from your antivirus software. NiceHash Miner is safe to use, but you might need to whitelist it to avoid interference. While waiting for it to download, you can now create your account in NiceHash. You also need to enter the code manually for the verification code they have sent to your email address. Once done, click Verify. Now check your email for verification. As you can see, it's now verified. You can now click Continue. This is NiceHash dashboard. You can see here your wallet, mining. You can see here your mining status. You can enable two-factor authentication. You can see your easy mining, buy and sell crypto, and shop. You can also see here your orders, your active orders, and transaction like under recent activity. Now, once done, go to your download folder and then look for the NiceHash. This time what you're going to do is you have to click this, right click, and then click Run as Administrator. Wait for a couple of seconds or minutes as it is processing. Now you will see this one. What you're going to do is you have to scroll down to read all the information here. Now tap I accept the terms of the license agreement and confirm that I am at least 18 years old. Click Next and then wait as NiceHash Miner setup is installing. Now once done, you have to click this next button right here and tap Finish. As you can see, NiceHash Miner has been installed on your computer. Click Finish to close off. Warning: Miner software is recognized as malicious by antivirus software. Use it at your own risk. Now check or tap this Run NiceHash Miner and then click the Finish button. NiceHash will automatically perform a benchmark test to determine the best mining algorithm for your hardware, GPU, CPU. This process may take a few minutes. So now you can select your mining hardware. Under the Services tab, select the hardware you want to use for mining, such as GPU, CPU, or both. Okay, so optional, you can adjust setting for better performance. The power and temperature management. Mining can put a strain on your hardware. Take note of this. So monitor your GPU temperature and power usage. Consider adjusting power settings or adding extra cooling if necessary. Mining in the background. You can configure NiceHash to run at lower performance settings if you want to use your PC for other tasks while mining. So once you are here on your NiceHash Miner, you can now start mining. So basically, once the setup is complete, simply click Start Mining. NiceHash Miner will automatically choose the most profitable algorithm and begin mining. You can monitor your mining performance, hash rate, and estimated earnings on the NiceHash dashboard, both in the miner software on the NiceHash website under your account. So as a conclusion, using NiceHash to mine cryptocurrency in your PC is a beginner-friendly way to start mining, as it simplifies the process by automatically selecting the most profitable algorithms. Just be sure to monitor your hardware's health and energy costs to ensure it's profitable endeavor. Now, if you want to see how it works, then basically you can go to your NiceHash Miner dashboard, scroll down here, and you will see how this platform works and what are the advantages of using this platform. And that's how easy it is to do Bitcoin mining on PC. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.